Buongiorno ragazzi, it's me again Kat. On this video, I am going to show you an amazing recipe for tortellini.
Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone.
Let's start by preparing our ingredients. Cut pancetta into cubes. Cut the onion. Add oil. Add the onion and fry. Add pancetta. Add wine. Add the green paste when the pancetta is almost cooked. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add cream and stir constantly until combined. Season it with pepper. The sauce is ready. Let's prepare our tortellini. Boil water with salt. Put tortellini. Our lunch is ready. Bon appetito! Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.